race, street race, and on the way out to street race, I was playing with the guy. Me and this guy were racing back and forth. His car's actually pretty damn fast. About 140, my fucking car starts to smoke from the transmission, I think, and I'm losing power on my shifts. A lot of power on my shifts now. I don't understand what's going on with this car. The 6R80 is nothing but a fucking joke. Probably gonna have to have it rebuilt now and see what's going on. I don't know what direction to do now. I'm not 100% sure if I'll keep this car or not, but this is my talk for today. This really sucks. I really was hoping to have my car together when my family shows up on Tuesday, but needless to say, it broke. So we'll see if I make any races when they're here. I might try to do some passes if it's cold, but this is unreal. I just can't believe this shit. So that's the talk for today. I'll just give you guys some pictures of what was out at the race, and some nice cars were there, but I was afraid to drive it out to Mexico because of the issue I was having when I went to start out. It started slipping real bad. So I'll talk to you guys later, and hopefully you guys like this. It's just a quick one, and we'll get back with more stuff as soon as I get my car right.